LTD, a family car that offers comfort. Add Bob Bondurant, a man who demands capability.
This particular LTD that we're driving really handles pretty nicely. Very responsive, remarkably agile.
Ford LTD, the family car with comfort when you want it, capability when you need it. Have you driven the best-built American cars? Have you driven a Ford lately?
All right, so what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We did promise if the car ran and drove, the what are we gonna call it? Vanilla wafer?
Vanilla wafer.
That's what
Vanilla wafer.
That's what Bronte was saying. Anyway, the wagon. Hold on, we can't show the bottom. We promised if it ran and drove, it would get what? It'd get Cobra wheels. So there it is. Yes, boys, it is on the Cobra wheels. Check this out. We are about to, that tire's a little low. Not only does it have Cobra wheels, but obviously they can't feel that through there.
They can't feel it, but it feels good.
It overcharges the air. The original factory air conditioning system took a charge. And so we're gonna drive this thing up to the gate. Oh, we've got an amp light on. We gonna be all right?
Oh yeah.
They're gonna pick us up if we, so we don't have to push. But believe it or not, the trans is shifting. The air is cold.
The brakes working?
The brakes are working. You did what? A master cylinder?
Put a master cylinder in the gas tank. Fuel pump.
Guys, I'm telling you, we should have brought a little dial so they could see that it's actually cold.
Well, it's hot and we got the windows up.
True. Yes. See, windows up. We wouldn't be having that. All right, guys, we're gonna go fill this thing up at the gas station and just take a little cruise in the vanilla wafer. All right, so we're just cruising along like we're going to church.
What impressed us most was how much initial throttle response was present.
It does feel like we're in like a bubble or under a
greenhouse.
Yeah.
All this glass.
You guys, you can see all the glass in this thing and no window tint.
Yeah, it's crystal clear glass.
But this thing is so quiet, you can't even hear it run.
Handling is much better than any full-size Ford sedan of the past, yet the ride retains the kind of smoothness that you expect in any highway cruiser.
Actually, suspension's good.
Yeah.
Steering's good.
We're going 25, 35.
Frankly, even though the new LTD Marquis lacks the advances of front-wheel drive, Ford's engineers are taking the American family sedan to a new technological height.
It gets there.
It ain't gonna get there real fast, but it's doing great.
It gets there smooth.
Exactly, yeah. We're just riding along. Alright.
What we need to put in there? That 93?
Yeah, we need to put that high octane stuff in the old vanilla wafer. Look at there, Mustang door cups there and handles. I'm telling you.
It's a tight.
Look, and it's tucking the Cobra wheels. How cool is that? Ooh, that's close. Actually, that's not bad. It's up in there pretty good.
That's what she said.
Got the chrome trim on it. Jeez Louie. I'm telling you guys, to be this cool takes a lot of work. It really does. A 1983 wagon with 93 Cobra wheels on it. You gotta be some kind of serious to pull this off.
Yeah, pretty small tank.
Nice and flat. We gotta show the hatch again. The original hatch struts. Look at that. Got all the nice shag carpeting. It's amazing. With your little, I love it. I'm telling you, at Foxtoberfest, somebody would pay a lot of money for this car.
And we ain't even got it polished up yet.
Exactly, yeah, we gotta polish it. I mean, look how dirty the wheels are. Yeah. This thing's gonna look amazing all cleaned up. Oh. 2005, yeah, well, hopefully we don't get stopped, right? Sweet. You got some fresh gas in there? All right, so I get the pilot on the way home?
Yeah.
Okay. I have not got to pilot this. So I've drove Lieutenant Dan. Lieutenant Dan's fun because you manually shift it. Okay. It's crazy because you can't hear it running. can't tell it's running. Oh, what's it name? Ashtray. Gotta love it.
Yeah, I guess these are cigarette holders.
I guess.
Marlboros.
I don't know. I guess. Yeah. Because that's the ashtray.
That's an ashtray.
They didn't even get, this car didn't even get a tape player.
Yeah, they ain't even got the FM. AM.
AM? Holy crap. Alright, so I'm in drive. Alright, here we go.
I think the only option it's got there. Thank God it did.
Yes. And the fact that it actually works is crazy. Alright. Get out on the road here. F-250. Yeah, he's making me feel bad. Yes.
Roomy, comfortable.
It's the steering's tight. This is wild. Like it just kind of goes. It's not,
Yeah.
you know.
You'll get there eventually.
You'll get there eventually. Doesn't really matter how much gas you give it.
A lot. That's what you're giving me. A lot.
Yeah. But I mean, the brakes feel good. This is freaking awesome. Alright guys, just cruising along. Steering's nice and tight, air's cold. This is crazy. How old is this car?
Almost 40 years old.
Almost 40, yeah. Almost 40 years old. Ice cold air, the brakes are tight, steering's tight, suspension. Like we were literally expecting this thing to be kind of floating all over the place. Maybe the one of the struts, you know, stuck, who knows, but it's not. And just like looking around, everything's still like brand new.
It's just like it was never parked.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, so we really don't know. Probably just keep it and drive it, yeah?
Yeah. Saturday shop car.
Yeah. Now, if you guys actually want to see us do something with it, which, you know, you never know, drop us a comment below. We've, you know, there's been a few things thrown out. Coyote swap, ride tech, drop it on the ground, you know. Oh, I forgot there's no acceleration on that. Yeah. So if you guys drop us a comment below. I mean, it's a 44,000 mile car. I mean, it's like brand new, and it's amazing. If nothing else, we'll just take it to lunch on Saturdays. Hey, drive to work if you want, whatever you want to do. I mean, it's kind of amazing that a car that's 40 years old is in this kind of condition.
Nice daily driver.
Uh-huh. I wish it had wood on the side. That would be kind of cool.
Country Squire.
Yes, we could do like our own version of Country Squire or something.
Get some vinyl on the side.
Yeah. Do some vinyl. Guys, drop us a comment below if we should put wood grain on the side of. Man, I tell you what. Freaking amazing. And it's funny, this car is a complete stripper, like manual windows, manual everything. And of course, Lieutenant Dan, it's got power windows and all that. But I'm telling you, and I if you have to ask why, right? If they have to ask, then they wouldn't get it anyway.
Yeah, the wife don't like it.
Yeah, no. I guarantee you, if my wife saw it, she wouldn't like it either. But I mean, it's just one of those, like, it's a Fox body, and you know, it's got 44,000 miles. No, you don't. And freaking amazing. And of course, if you are new to the channel, our long-term project car, Lieutenant Dan. Guys, real quick, Lieutenant Dan is in need of an 8.8 with a 410. We've got lots of gears, but we don't have a good housing to put in it. But I do need to start Lieutenant Dan for you real quick. Stand by. Okay, so you think we was playing around with Lieutenant Dan? Take a listen. Lieutenant Dan sounds like a monster. Freaking sweet. You can't tell me that this old grandma looking car chopping its ass off on some ET streets isn't badass. what do you think of the alternative Foxes? Like, really nobody else is doing this stuff. I love them. Dover loves them. I love the Thunderbirds. I love the Fairmonts, the, you know, the LTDs. I love all these things. You know, my first Fox body was a Thunderbird, not a Mustang. So, yeah, hold on. Gotta get it real quick. Lieutenant Dan just needs a gear and then it'll burn tires. So that is what is up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like old uninspiring LTD wagons, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.